guys, so excited to bring this to you. So this is a tutorial to show you a little bit of the insider view of TradeStation. Why do you want to know about TradeStation? Because I just made $20 in, I think, 4 minutes. Very exciting, right? I have an automation software that is proprietary, made by a quantitative programmer that has been trading for 20-something years, and he's phenomenal with programming quantitative algorithmic automation software that links to TradeStation, which TradeStation, I call it Automation Station. It trades in milliseconds while other brokerage houses only trade in seconds. So you're really able to bam, bam, bam out some of these awesome numbers in less than a New York minute, less than in a millisecond, right? Very exciting. So I've been waiting for this to be turned on, and it just got turned on today. So I'm super excited. I want to give you the insider view. This is not me demoing something that I'm just like promoting because I haven't used it, because I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. What you're gonna see is a futures account and an S&P. Well, within the futures account, I'm working with NASDAQ and with S&P 500. So stay tuned. I hope this really helps you. If you're watching this because you've already got the technology, or you've been on one of my live crypto talks, definitely just get in there, see what's coming your way, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial, because I don't know if you're like me, some people just want to know exactly what's going to happen before you jump into something. This is not for somebody that just is in it for 5 minutes or someone that's going to be loyal and faithful and committed to developing a financial infrastructure just for 5 days. This is serious. This is real. This is legit. It's completely in compliance with the U.S. government, with all rules and regulations. This is technology. I cannot tell you what to do and what to trade. This is a software system that you would purchase, and then you would turn on and you would turn off. My role in this is to kind of teach you how to use technology. So I would say I'm a technology tutor, and I'm also willing to share with you my wins and my losses to teach you how to learn how to use your technology too. It's kind of like riding a bike together. You got to start somewhere. I'm super excited to finally jump into the market. Now, the reason why I'm doing TradeStation is because I'm infatuated with crypto land and digital currency. And if you're in the US, you've been highly restricted as to your options. TradeStation is taking on crypto. It's just not open yet. We're October 2019 in the US. For TradeStation, there are beta tests going on right now. So I'm jumping in with TradeStation, learning all I can now, getting my software ready so that once crypto land comes live to general public in TradeStation, I can jump in and maximize my profits on that. So stay tuned, and let's jump in and check out the matrix. And you're going to see some charts with some proprietary trading software put on top of them through TradeStation, so you can kind of see how the automation works. See ya in 2 seconds. All right, welcome to TradeStation Automation. I'm going to give you an insider view on my TradingView account. So right now I've got an automation software that is added to a futures account that encompasses some futures with NASDAQ from the Chicago Merchant Exchange and S&P 500. So what you're looking at right now here, this is what we call the matrix. And you're going to see the volume right here. That stands for the number of people that are putting in asks sizes within this particular asset class. You can't see it here, but in a second I'll open it up and show you. This is a micro NASDAQ December 19th ending 2019 contract. And right here we have S&P 500, NASDAQ December again 2019 contract. So the volume here is not considered shares or coins as they do in crypto land. In this world, it's considered contracts because this is future accounts. The volume bar is showing you a reflection of the number of people that are asking for contracts, and this is the axe size again. And this is the price of the axe size that they're asking for. And there is your bid size. So right here, when you're in your TradeStation account, your account is live, meaning like in TradeStation, you can open an account where you're just putting it on the demo. So you're just not actually trading with your money, you're just playing with fake money, okay? But at this point, this account is live. So if I was to click on any of these blue bars, it could literally be buying or trading that asset. So I'm not going to so much click on the blue and say, yes, I'm going to buy it. All right. So the orange there where you see the cursor right here, this is the actual current price. And then as you can see, that's for S&P 500. And this is the price of NASDAQ right now. So if you notice the fastness and the speed of this, so TradeStation trades in milliseconds, so it goes extremely fast and it's always moving. You can kind of watch over here in the volume box the amount of people that are, or accounts you could say, that are trading. You just watch one number and you'll see that it's going to most likely change pretty fast. All right, so let's jump on to the next section. Okay, so here what you're looking at is the trades that have been happening in each one of these areas for the last week. I have personally typed in, I'm putting in the names of the weeks, the names of the day of where that trade was. Each vertical line is another day. So as you can see, sometimes trades go in 2 times a day. Sometimes it's 1 a day. Sometimes, as you can see, the lower area, which is standing for the S&P 500, you can see that Wednesday, it's not typed in yet, but it will be in a minute, there was no trades. And that's okay. It's just that the formulas, the mathematical calculations, were not forecasting any good criteria that would allow it to win. And so you have to have realistic expectations that the software is doing what it's meant to do. The technology does not go in unless it has a really good perception or understanding that it's going to win. So I'm really excited. This is been watching it on a demo account for about a month and waiting to have it go live. So this is you're seeing it, this is the first day of it going live, but now as I'm doing this voiceover, I had 2 days and we had 2 days of wins, and so I'm pretty excited about this. If you guys want more info, let me know. Hit me up in the PM or send me a message. I'm not sure if this is going to go on Facebook or YouTube or in email land, but whatever way it is, let me know. This is not a simple process to jump in and start using the technology. There is some infrastructure that you're going to need in order to have a very reliable trading automation system. You do need to have a computer that's going to be on 24/7. So I highly recommend that it's a computer system. It's almost like in the cloud, right? That way, if your power goes off, you're not going to miss out on a trade. This account is only $2,000 in it, but as things grow, a lot of people could be putting in $100,000, $200,000, $1 million while they're trading. And once you start winning, you will multiply. Remember, $1,000 is only 10 multiplies, 10 doubles away from $1 million. So no matter where you're starting, you want to I always forecast for the end in mind, right? So there is infrastructure. We can go over that if you guys are definitely interested in getting this. And if you think this is something that is up your alley, if you're ready to start making income at home, and learning about the markets. The best thing about this is, all of the work has been done for me as far as the trading goes, right? Yes, I did have to open an account in TradeStation. Yes, I had to transfer money into the account. Yes, I needed to learn the technology, okay? And I do have a foundation of understanding candlesticks and charts and so forth, but I've definitely not, been trading on Wall Street for 5 to 10 years. So this is very exciting to be able to bring this to you, and I look forward to you coming to me and asking questions and jumping on my live webinars every Wednesday and Thursday. So hit me up in the questions box, reply to the email, or put a message on YouTube and let me know you're interested, and we'll talk soon.